be effective in preventing, arresting, or reversing other leading killers like type 2 diabetes and hypertension, would seem to make the case for plant-based eating simply overwhelming. So why don't more doctors prescribe it? How could there be such a disconnect between the science and mainstream medical practice? Well, look, it took 25 years before the first Surgeon General report against smoking came out. It took more than 7,000 studies and the deaths of countless smokers before the powers that be officially recognized the link. You'd think after the first 6,000 studies, they could have given people a little heads up or something. Powerful industry. In fact, even after the Surgeon General's report came out, the medical community still dragged their feet. The American Medical Association actually went on record